Are you tired of your workspace just looking a mess like this? I have a solution. This right here is a glass whiteboard desktop organizer with hidden storage, which is going to help you organize your desk, your workspace dramatically. Now, besides being able to organize and keep things inside it, what's so special about this one? Well, I like that this is actually made out of glass, not plastic, which makes writing on this a breeze. So easy to read. And when you're done, these can be stored in here. And by the way, it does come with 2 black markers, 2 red markers, plus this eraser right here. So easy to erase. And now your board's nice and clean for other notes that you have to take. And of course, you're always going to have your phone with you. Has a nice slot right up here. Can easily set your phone in there. It actually has enough room to also put a tablet in there as well. So if you are doing any meetings that you need to be on your phone, your tablet, anything like that, you're going to have that information right there at your fingertips. So if you're trying to keep your workspace nice and neat, this whiteboard here with the hidden storage inside, personally, I really like this one.